XJR pilots. Today, the F-15c EAGLE. Okay, let's check out our website here. And there's the price point. It's $589. It's okay. That's pretty good actually for this high performance Superscale. And there's some good pictures they have on the website. Excellent. Love the back of this. You can see the 90mm in there. And it's a single, but it's very, very, very powerful. Now, from what I've researched, this is a very, very scaled looking plane. So when you fly this looks really nice in the air. So let's scroll down here, and there are all the details, specifications, battery requirements, build time, and things like that. So you can have the perfect setup and get your EDF really dialed in. And they have a variety of videos. There's a build video. I always like to see a build video. And here's some accessories so you can get the ordnance. And there's the ordnance for the Eagle. So you can have that set up there as well too. So again, they have a lot of good videos you can check out. So I suggest looking at them, and we're gonna show one here today. And here is pilot Patrick Croasdale, one of the best in the business, and footage by Motion RC. So let's take a look and learn something together. It's beautiful. He flies so well. Well, that's all I got for you. We appreciate the support. We love you guys so much. And again, thank you for going on this journey with us and learning how to fly these beautiful machines, these EDFs. It's so cool to watch. And we finally have our first couple of EDFs on the way. So stay tuned for our builds. Hit a like, hit subscribe. Please show the love. Thank you guys so much. And always remember, push past your limits with XJR.